A lot of times people are facing divorce really struggle with what are the first steps. I would think the very first step, if you're thinking about a divorce, is really contemplating if that's the right choice. Is marriage counseling or other alternatives available? In the divorce process, at some point, you're going to be asked, is the marriage irretrievably broken, or is there anything the state of Florida could do to fix it? So start there and make that determination. If you can save the marriage, by all means, save it. The second step probably would be to set a consultation. Call the lawyer of your choosing, schedule an appointment. You'll have a meeting set up. Those meetings are by phone, by Zoom, or in person. I think since the pandemic, there's been a lot of flexibility on how those are handled. The consultation is completely confidential when you're talking with a lawyer. A lot of times people want to bring a family friend or a relative with them. It's okay to bring them. If they come into the room and discuss the case or hear what's discussed with the lawyer, you might be waiving your attorney-client privilege. So I would not recommend that if you're going to be talking about confidential matters. After the consultation, normally you'll have a decision on if you want to retain the lawyer or not and hire them for their services. Whether you hire them or not, the consultation is still confidential. Nobody's going to be notifying your spouse that you had a consultation. And if you retain the lawyer, the next step is normally getting the initial pleadings, which is a petition for divorce or petition for paternity, or a modification petition put together for your review. And then once you reviewed it and everyone finds that it's acceptable, then it's going to be filed with the courthouse and then ultimately served through service of process. And that's when your spouse would be notified because the service of process person would deliver the petition to them.